Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Guess what, you guys? I found out something about my favorite flower in the whole world. A beautiful red rose is good for more than just looking beautiful. Guess what, you guys? I found out from my acupuncture lady that rose tea is good for you. Isn't that great? My favorite flower. I can drink it too. Okay? So, rose tea is good for the benefits of rose tea, you guys, is you get good skin. It helps you with your skin. Okay, I wrote it down. It helps you with your skin. It helps control your weight, and it's anti-aging, and it helps with your digestion and your immune system. So look at that. A beautiful flower. Who would know that a beautiful flower would help with so much, right? So, I'm going to make me some rose tea, you guys, and I'm going to start drinking my rose tea every single day. When they said anti-aging and skin, they had me as soon as they said skin, because I want my skin to forever look young. Okay? So, we're going to make some rose tea today, okay? And this is how it looks. She gave me this batch of rose buds. Okay? See that? Actual rose buds, all organic, nothing added to it. Okay, so just regular rose buds. All right, so what we're gonna do is make some tea. All right, let's make us some rose tea. So I'm gonna make a bigger portion today so that I can just drink it all day and have some for tomorrow. I was so happy to hear about my beautiful roses. It's my favorite flower in the whole world. The long stem red roses, you guys, my favorite. Okay, so that's that. So now we're gonna get the hot water. Okay, I'm gonna pour the hot water. And I saw that some people were adding black tea to it, but I just want the rose tea. And I'm going to add a little touch of honey and lemon to mine. Okay? So you just let this set, you guys, for about 10 minutes. And you're going to have some delicious rose tea. And it tastes good too, you guys. I didn't think that it would taste good, but I was drinking it yesterday. I was like, oh, this actually doesn't taste bad. It's good. So they got me, girl. Rose tea is one of my favorite teas now. Okay? And this is just the organic one. Straight from the rose buds. Okay? So I'm going to let that sit for 10 minutes, you guys. And I shall return. Okay? I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, look at this. Look, after you let it set for a while, you see the blooms, the buds, they're blooming. That's nice, huh? That's so cool. Look at that. See, they're getting bigger. They're blooming. How cool. God makes such beautiful things for us to enjoy on earth. God makes such beautiful things for us to enjoy on earth, and that's also beneficial to our bodies. Look at God. Isn't that good? Look at that one. Look how big it got. See? Look. Let me show you guys. Look. See? Oh, sorry. It's turned around the wrong way. Look at that rosebud. It bloomed. See, it got bigger. Look at that. Let me show you guys. Hold on. See, the tea is getting darker, more concentrated. The longer you leave it in, the more concentrated that it is. And let me show you guys. See? You see that? Ooh, it's hot, honey. Okay. All right, you guys. So now what we're going to do is stir it a little bit more. And I did my research online, you guys, and I looked up all the benefits of this rose tea. And oh my God, why haven't I checked it before? Because I'm all about my teas. I love tea. I always drink all different types of tea. Green tea, turmeric tea, ginger tea, the oolong tea, all of it. I love tea. And I like to get the natural herbal teas. So I'm surprised I didn't come around to this one. I had raspberry tea, but I never got the rose tea, you know. And this is supposed to be good for all the female parts also, you guys. So, girl, I will forever drink rose tea. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, you guys, is I'm going to use my little thingy here, the strainer, and I'm going to take out the rose. Let me get my spoon. Help me. I'm going to take these out, and we're going to make the tea, okay? So that's all I'm doing, taking this out, okay? All right. Just take them all out. I'm going to drink us some tea. There's a couple more at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my tea. Okay, let's pour some tea. It's hot, so let me be careful. Ooh, child, it is hot. Let's do one more. No, I could have used a spoon, huh? But it took too long. Okay. And I spilled it a little bit. That's okay. All right, look at that, you guys. Look at God. Gave us some natural rose tea. Okay? And if you want, you can put some honey in there. I'll just put 1 dot. So I don't like a lot of sugar. Honey is good for everything. And then I'll put a little tinge of lemon juice because I don't want to overpower my rose, because that rose tastes good, you guys. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. I like the taste of it. A beautiful flower that's beneficial to your body also. How great is God? Look at that. See? Nice cup of tea. Hold on. Look. A nice cup of tea. Rose tea. Let's do our spinner. A nice cup of rose tea. For your health. For your beauty. For your digestion. And your immune system. Okay? So have a cup of tea with me, guys. Here, have a drink. Okay? And there you have it. You have a nice warm cup of rose tea. I'm gonna add some rosebuds to give it some garnish. I like my garnish. Look at that. Rose tea, you guys. Go have you a cup of rose tea for all the health benefits. Okay? There we go. Rose tea. Okay, I'm just getting more rosebuds. Hold on. Get a couple more. There we go. One more. There we go. Now, you have rose tea. A nice cup of rose tea, you guys. Enjoy, because I'm going to enjoy drinking my rose tea every single day. So, I just want to share that with you guys in case you guys are into all the health benefits of tea and natural herbal stuff, like natural tea. So here you go. Some natural rose tea. Okay? All organic. Okay? All right, you guys. All right, you guys. Thanks for joining me. And I will see you on the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I will see you soon. Thanks for dropping by. Thank you guys. And enjoy your tea. Look at that. Don't that look good? Nice cup of organic rose tea. Look at that, you guys. Rose tea. Oops. Rose tea. Doesn't she look lovely? Now my favorite flower, I can drink it also. My favorite flowers, red roses, a cup of rose tea.